Hello class, today we're going to be learning more about the basics of functions here. I have a few problems I have set up that are going to help us figure out how the process of functions work, and basically to simplify it so that it'll be easier to understand here. Because that's ultimately what I'm trying to do this lesson. If I can make it really simple and easy to digest, I have a feeling the rest of you students are going to be able to ace this, this homework assignment and the quizzes that are going to be coming up here. And with that being said, how about we just get started? So the first problem I have here is f of x equal to 2x. We'll start simple here. And excuse the bad writing, by the way, as well. This is my first time using like a whiteboard with a mouse here. And we can start off here by having the problem plug in 2 for x, because that's how I want to start and build up the foundation here. I want to have all my students understand if we can figure out the process of plugging x in for numbers in for x, that's the foundation of functions, and that's how we can solve for future problems that are a little bit more complicated in this course. So if we plug in 2 here, the problem simply turns into this kind of notation, which basically just turns down to being 2 times 2. And last time I checked, I mean, you guys are pretty smart. I'm pretty sure you can figure out that 2 times 2 equals 4. So the conclusion to this problem, or I guess the answer, would technically be f of 2 equals 4. I'll circle that for you here. Alright, now if I can get rid of all of this work. There we go. We can also try another problem here as well. To build off of this, what if we include other types of numbers into this problem as well? So if we have f of 5 here, and we have x plus 3, this may be a little complicated because you add an extra number, but essentially what this is that once you plug in 5, you just add 5 in here instead. Okay. So then it just turns into 5 plus 3. And, I mean, you guys graduated elementary school and middle school, so pretty sure you can figure out that's 8. Oh my gosh, that writing's bad. Okay, that's an 8. That's an 8 right here. Oh my gosh. Alright. There was one more problem I want you guys to try out here, and that's what if you plug in a negative number, or you have a function that has a negative inside of it. So how about we try f of 3 here equals negative 4x plus 7. Let's try this. So we plug in 3 here for the negative x. So we know that 4 times 3 equals 12. Pretty sure you guys can figure that out relatively easily. But since we add the negative, we also multiply it by negative 1 as well. So that will equal negative 12. And what we're left is, we have negative 12 plus 7. And if you do basic math, that should just be negative 5. So f of 3 in this problem equals negative 5. Hopefully that makes things a little easier to digest and makes it a little simpler here for everyone. We can go on with the next part of the lesson here. Hopefully that makes it easier. Sweet.